To speak. Parler. To speak. Parler. To speak. Parler. To speak. Parler. Quick question for you here. How do you pronounce the R in parler? The R in French is articulated differently than it is in English. Here's a trick that you might try. Pretend that you're gargling without water. The sound that you make is very similar to the French R. So try it again with the verb parler, and imagine you're gargling when you pronounce the R. Parler, parler, parler. Now I'm overemphasizing it in this. Parler, parler, parler. Okay, so hopefully that will help you to approximate the French R better. To speak, parler. For those of you interested in word origins, I have 3 words for you here. They're all derived from the French word parler, to speak. They all have something to do with speaking. So the English words parlor, parliament, and parlance are all derived from the French verb parler. Okay, and now to the more exciting part of the lesson, the part where you really start speaking French. Okay, let's start off with our subject pronoun, I. How do you say I in French? Je. Pronunciation, je. I, je, I, je. I, je. I speak, je parle. I speak, je parle. I speak, je parle. I speak, je parle. French, français, French, français, French, français, French, français. English, anglais, English, anglais, English, anglais, English, anglais. Italian, italien, Italian, italien, Italian, italien, Italian, italien. German, allemand, German, allemand, German, allemand, German, allemand. Spanish, espagnol, Spanish, espagnol, Spanish, espagnol, Spanish, espagnol. Portuguese, portugais, Portuguese, portugais, Portuguese, portugais, Portuguese, portugais. And now for the exciting conclusion to this segment. This is what you've learned. You can say, to speak, parler, I speak, je parle, French, français, English, anglais, German, allemand, Spanish, espagnol, Portuguese, portugais. I speak French, je parle français. I speak English, je parle anglais. I speak German, je parle allemand. I speak Spanish, je parle espagnol. I speak Portuguese, je parle portugais.